8 heavy, hold short of runway 27 right. Holding short runway 27 right, SpiceJet 9228 heavy. London Heathrow Tower, Egypt Air 941, ready for departure in sequence at runway 27 right, departing straight out. Air 941. Contacting London Centre on 127.0, Delta 149 heavy. Going around, Turkish 1991 Super. Line up and wait runway 27 right.
Line up and wait runway 27 right, Speedbird 117.
Speedbird 301, line up and wait runway 27 right. Roger. Turkish 1991 Super.
Line up and wait runway 27 right, Speedbird 301.
Turkish 1991 Super, contact Heathrow Director on 119.72.
London Heathrow Tower, Malaysian 3 Heavy, ready for departure at runway 27 right, departing east.
Contacting Heathrow Director on 119.72, Turkish 1991 Super.
Line up and wait runway 27 right, Speedbird 117.
Speedbird 117, wind 200 at 10, runway 27 right, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 27 right, Speedbird 117.
Malaysian 3 Heavy, hold short of runway 27 right.
3 Heavy.
London Heathrow Tower, Lufthansa 330 Heavy, inbound on the ILS runway 27 right with information mic.
London Heathrow Tower, Turkish 553, inbound on the ILS runway 27 left.
Speedbird 301, wind 210 at 10, runway 27 right, cleared for takeoff. Lufthansa 330 Heavy, number 1, runway 27 right, cleared to land. Number 1, cleared to land, runway 27 right, Lufthansa 330 Heavy. Turkish 553, number 1, runway 27 left, cleared to land. 88 Mike Bravo. Speedbird 117, contact London Centre on 127.0.
Contacting London Centre on 127.0, Speedbird 117.
November 88 Mike Bravo, wind 210 at 10, runway 27 right, cleared for takeoff. Cleared for takeoff, runway 27 right, November 88 Mike Bravo. Speedbird 301, contact London Centre on 127.0. Egypt Air 941, line up and wait runway 27 right. Line up and wait runway 27 right, Egypt Air 941. Lufthansa 330 Heavy, is on final runway 27 right, full stop. Egypt Air 941, wind 210 at 10, runway 27 right, cleared for takeoff. Cleared for takeoff, runway 27 right, Egypt Air 941. Egypt Air 941, please expedite. Malaysian 3 heavy, line up and wait runway 27 right.
Line up and wait runway 27 right, Malaysian 3 heavy.
Egypt Air 941, contact London Centre on 127.0. Contacting London Centre on 127.0, Egypt Air 941. London Heathrow Tower, Philippines 1395 heavy, your number 2 for departure. Philippines 168 Romeo Golf, your number 3 for departure. Lufthansa 330 heavy, when able turn left, contact ground on the taxiway. Roger, Philippines 168 Romeo Golf. Malaysian 3 heavy, wind 210 at 10, runway 27 right, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 27 right, Malaysian 3 heavy. Roger, Qantas 2395 heavy.
Qantas 2395 heavy, line up and wait runway 27 right.
Line up and wait runway 27 right, Qantas 2395 heavy.
London Heathrow Tower. Qantas 2395 heavy, wind 210 at 10, runway 27 right, cleared for takeoff. Malaysian 3 heavy, contact London Centre on 127.0.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 27 right, Qantas 2395 heavy.
Golf November Echo Mike Mike, number 1, runway 27 left, cleared to land.
Contacting London Centre on 127.0, Malaysian 3 heavy.
Number 1, cleared to land, runway 27 left, Golf November Echo Mike Mike. Philippines 168 Romeo Golf, wind 210 at 10, runway 27 right, cleared for takeoff. Cleared for takeoff, runway 27 right, Philippines 168 Romeo Golf. Speedbird 2254, line up and wait runway 27 right. Line up and wait runway 27 right, Speedbird 2254. Speedbird 2254, wind 210 at 10, runway 27 right, cleared for takeoff. London Heathrow Tower, Philippines 168 Romeo Golf is 1 nautical miles to the northwest at 500 feet, inbound for landing with information Mike. Attention all aircraft, ATIS information November is now current. Cleared for takeoff, runway 27 right, Speedbird 2254. You're welcome, Golf November Echo Mike Mike. London Heathrow Tower, Speedbird 012 India Golf Heavy, inbound on the ILS runway 27 right. London Heathrow Tower, Charlie 6 Romeo India Lima, inbound on the visual runway 27 left with information Mike.
London Heathrow Tower, Lufthansa 1997 Heavy, ready for departure at runway 27 right, departing straight out.
Lufthansa 1997 Heavy, line up and wait runway 27 right. Speedbird 012 India Golf Heavy, number 1, runway to land, runway 27 right, Speedbird 012 India Golf Heavy. Golf November Echo Mike Mike, when able turn right, contact ground on the taxiway. Wilco, Golf November Echo Mike Mike.
London Heathrow Tower, Turkish 28 Romeo Charlie, ready for departure at runway 27 right, departing straight out.
Speedbird 2254, contact London Centre on 127.0. Lufthansa 1997 Heavy, wind 210 at 10, runway 27 right, cleared for takeoff. Contacting London Centre on 127.0, Speedbird 2254.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 27 right, Lufthansa 1997 Heavy.
London Heathrow Tower, Cathay 0519 Heavy, inbound on the ILS runway 27 right. Cathay 0519 Heavy, number 2, runway 27 right, cleared to land. Number 2, cleared to land, runway 27 right, Cathay 0519 Heavy. Turkish 28 Romeo Charlie, line up and wait runway. Turkish 28 Romeo Charlie, wind 210 at 10, runway 27 right, cleared for immediate takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 27 right, Turkish 28 Romeo Charlie.
Thank you, Speedbird 012 India Golf Heavy. Speedbird 385 India Golf Heavy, number 1, runway 27 left, cleared to land.
Number 1, cleared to land, runway 27 left, Speedbird 385 India Golf Heavy.
Speedbird 999 India Golf, number 1, runway 27 right, cleared to land.
Number 1, cleared to land, runway 27 right, Speedbird 999 India Golf.
London Heathrow Tower, Air France 2387 Heavy, ready for departure at runway 27 right, departing straight out.
Hansaline 7749, please follow instructions. Air France 2387 Heavy, hold short of runway 27 right.
Holding short runway 27 right, Air France 2387 Heavy.
Indonesia 946 Heavy, wind 210 at 10, runway 27 right, cleared for takeoff. Hansaline 7749, hold short of runway 27 right.
Holding short runway 27 right, Hansaline 7749. Cleared for takeoff, runway 27 right, Indonesia 946 Heavy.
Speedbird 1073, number 2, runway 27 right, cleared to land. Number 2, cleared to land, runway 27 right, Speedbird 1073. London Heathrow Tower, Air Belgium 736 Super is 10 nautical miles to the east at 3,000 feet, inbound for landing, requesting runway 27 left. Air Belgium 736 Super, number 1, runway 27 left, cleared to land. Number 1.